There's my Klutch Steel Welding table and my newly cleaned up and organized fabrication corner. Let's see how we got here. Now I normally don't do unboxing videos, but with the Klutch Welding table, one of the top complaints was of a damaged tabletop. My approach when this is the concern is to unpack everything first and then inspect the components before I begin assembly. At this point, I've got all the 13 millimeters tightened up, almost to where I can't move the legs. So what I'm going to use the base to actually keep it square, and then a level to make sure everything stays straight. This is important as you have 4 leg adjusters, and you can see later on in the video, I'll be using those to actually level the table surface. But if I wouldn't have taken the time to square up these legs, I would have never gotten the table surface level.
All assembled. These are the extra jig parts that it comes with. These clamps are pretty nice. They're not like the industrial, but they'll work for holding stuff down. Got some spacers, hardware, and I just grabbed a piece of leftover plywood from all the different projects and threw it in there, and that's the container I'm going to throw everything in. An ammo can would work as well, but I'm trying to work with what we got. But there we have it. Pretty excited to have this in place, and we're going to use that for some fabrication work on the Miata. All right, so air and fab is over here. Fab table, fit up stuff, 190, TIG, plasma, various tools, gloves, consumables, so on and so forth. Still working on this. This is that new toolbox I picked up. This is out, so I have to remember to go home. My trusty stand, which I got to order a new one on Amazon Prime. This goes with me. Currently working on some stuff here. Charging a laptop, going tuning tomorrow. All the Miata build things. Extra transmission, downpipe. More tools. Haven't quite finished cleaning that yet. Also got to put some of this stuff away. That's a new 9 Lives wing. 2560R for the Miata. Gotta do something with my fishing gear still. All the Miata stuff back from the machine shop, ready to go ahead. There's a crank in there and a block. Gonna be painting those in the near future. There's the paint down there. So all the Firebird stuff back here, it's kind of hidden. Aluminum Gen 4. All the stuff to, make a 800 horsepower stock bottom end. New injectors, torque converter, 480s out in the garage. But that's it. Cleaned up a little bit, but we're still got a lot to do. Thanks for tuning in. I'll go do some tuning tomorrow.